In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Sheet presentation publicly visible to anyone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the share button up at the top. Where it says general access, click the drop down and select anyone with link. And then you can copy the link and then you can paste it into a group chat or email, whatever. And that's pretty much it. You would select done to save, and you can also adjust their permissions too by clicking that drop down. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.